All right, welcome back to the Microsoft Excel training. In this video, we're going to be looking at the transpose function. The transpose function is a lookup and reference function. The function converts rows into columns and columns into rows. This helps to organize data without manually copying and pasting them. So the transpose function is very simple. You just put the syntax. The syntax is equal sign, transpose, and your array. So, and the key features here is that to convert rows to column or column to row, it automatically updates when the source data changes. So whatever changes in the source data also affects the destination data. And then, of course, it works with text, numbers, and formulas. This function in the 2016 version requires that you use the Ctrl-Shift-Enter to convert it to an array before it will work. But this version does not require that. And then, of course, the transpose function is a powerful function for reorganizing data efficiently. So now let's go into the Excel sheet and just see this simple example. So we're going to pick this data set and we're going to put equal sign transpose. You put a transpose and then you select your data range or array. That is all. And just use the enter key, get your result. So you see this category section is now showing this way. The quarter, the sales quarter is now showing this way. And then you have the values that way. So this is another way of reorganizing your data, maybe for analysis sake and other things. So this is the transpose function. So even if you want to move from this to the other way around, it's also applicable. So let's say your data was originally like this. You can easily do equals transpose, select the range, and then, of course, close. So it's going to return to this original state. So you can do from rows to column and columns to row. All right, so this is where we're going to stop on working with the transpose function. Bye for now.